Hello, everybody. Joseph Don here. Trust you're good wherever you are. So I'm dedicating this video to explain exactly how money is made online because most of my followers has been asking me, especially during this coronavirus outbreak, the stay at home and the lockdown in many states, how can they make money online? So I want to explain this concept quickly. So first of all, you need to understand that making money online, it's not magic, okay? Write this down. Money is a product of value creation. Money is a product of value creation. So to make money is a rule of money. So whether you want to make money offline or online, you have to be able to create some form of value. What is value? Value is anything that can help people achieve something. Anything you give to people that can help people achieve something is value. So it could be entertainment, it could be business tips, it could be helping them solve a problem that they have desperately wanted to solve. So to make money online, you need to sell something. Money won't just fall from the sky. You need to sell something. You either sell a product or a service. You could sell fashion accessories online. You could sell clothes. You could sell shoes. You could sell bags. You could sell hair care products, whatever. But you have to sell a product, or you could sell a service. You could sell consultation services. You could sell digital marketing services. You could sell graphic design services, online education services, but you have to sell something. You could sell entertainment services. Think about Tunde Edno. Think about Brother Shaggy. Think about Just Too Funny. Think about people that actually do their stuff online. Comedians, music artists. They sell entertainment. And how do they make money? Essentially, it's that they sell out ticket for their shows, or people meet them and say, a lot of people are gathering on your page, and then they give them money in exchange for advertising. Okay, that's essentially how those people make money online. So you have to be a person of value, create value, sell something. You may ask me, apart from really selling something online, is there any other way I can make money online? The answer is yes. There are ways you can make money online apart from selling something, even though essentially you sell on those platforms, but you don't have to sell to physical people. You can learn to trade cryptocurrency. You can learn to trade Forex. Cryptocurrency and Forex trading, you don't have to come on Instagram or WhatsApp to sell anything to anyone. You can essentially stay in your house, in the comfort of your home, and print money by yourself, trading crypto or Forex. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency or Forex trading, if you click on the link on my bio, or if this is YouTube, check the description of this video. You're going to see a link that will take you to my WhatsApp. You can learn how to trade crypto or Forex at a charge. Let's talk. From everything I've said, one thing you should pick out is that you have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. There is no magical way of making money online. You know, this people come to you, invest with me in the next 30 minutes, I'll double your money, flip cash, and Binoma and the rest of them. All those are scams. Don't fall for that. To make money online, you have to put in the work. It's not magical. Okay, at this point, if you have learned, hope you benefited from this video, leave a comment below, leave a like, save it for later because you'll need it, share to your friends, and let's grow this JG brand. Okay, I'll see you some other time. Finally, if you have something you want me to answer, if you have a question, if you have something you would like me to talk about in my video series, leave a comment below and tell me, or you can shoot me a DM. I'm always willing to answer. See you guys later. Take care.